Good evening, everyone. My name is Israel B. Panyamugan, your presenter, and today I'm going to present about the introduction to programming. Programming is a process of designing and building executable computer programs. It involves writing code that tells the computer what to do. Programming helps solve problems using logical instructions. So, programming guys is muna siya isa ka proseso na siya sa pag-design o pag-build of executable computer programs. It involves writing codes that kung saan pwede mo pag tell or pag sugo sa computer kung saan buhaton. So, mga siya computer sa programming. So, programming context refers to the environment purpose. Full screen. First, the environment purpose for writing programs. It includes educational, commercial, scientific, and personal projects. Understanding context helps in choosing the right language and tools. So, in programming context, kung gusto ka magkabalo o programming, mas maayo o kung unsa nga mga tools, unsa nga mga languages ang imong sugdan, kung unsa imong tunan. Pseudocode. Pseudocode is a way to describe algorithms in plain English. Focus on logic rather than syntax. So, bridges the gap between algorithm and design and actual code. So, ang pseudocode guys is inganin na siya. Pseudocode. Ano siya? Pseudocode guys nga mura kag code na walay rules. So, something like that. Nag-focus siya sa logic rather than syntax. So, IPChart stands for input process output. Helps define what data a program needs, what it does, and what it produces. Useful in early stages of program design. So, IPChart is the input process help. Nakatabang niya siya sa define kung unsa nga data ang kailangan sa computer program. Then, kung unsa ang mabuhat o kung unsa ang i-produce. I'll show you the example of the input chart. So tulo ra siya ka box, no? So, sa input, process, then output. Una output chart. Then install in Python. Step 1, download Python from Python.org. Python.org guys is muna siya ang website. Then run the installer and select add Python to path. Follow setup instructions. Then step 4, the last step is to verify installation using the command line Python version. So choosing between Java and Python. Java is strongly typed, good for enterprise level application, while ang Python is easier syntax, great for beginners and rapid development. So ang kalahian na sa Java ug Python guys, no, is ang Java is statically input na kailangan gid mo specific ang imong mga statements, while ang Python is dali siya ang iyang mga variables, ang iyang statements is mas dali siya nga madumduman. Choice depends on project needs and user preference. So, dito sa K qualities. K quality properties. The most important quality properties include reliability, the ability of the software to perform its required functions under stated conditions for a specific period of time. It should be function correctly and consistently. So, isa sa number 1 diri nga K quality properties is dapat reliability. na reliability ang imong code. Na anytime under stated conditions is ma-open siya or function siya correctly and consistently. So robustness. The program should handle unexpected or incorrect inputs gracefully. Must not cache or produce incorrect results under unusual condition. So, robustness is dapat nga ang robustness is dapat ma-handle siya sa mga unexpected or mga incorrect inputs gracefully. So, diri matest ang imong skills ng code ana. So, usability the is with which users can learn and use the software. User-friendly design and intuitive interfaces are keys. Usability is magamit anytime, magamit kang kinsa-kinsa, ang bisan kinsa, o sa bisan asa nga IDE. Portable, the is with which software can be transferred from one environment or platform to another. Should require minimal changes minimum. So, portable is wala na siya guys ang magamit bisan asa. Na kung ibalhin nimo sa PCAS, magamit talaga po siya, then na siya required siya minimal changes. Maintainability is making modifications to software important for fixing bugs, improving performance, or adapting to changes. So maintainability is imo siyang i-maintenance. Imo siyang i-fix ang bugs every time na every day or saka consistent lang. Imo siyang i-maintain, improving ang performance, fixing bugs, or adapt nimo sa changes. Then last but not least is efficiency or performance. The software should use resources, CPU, memory, etc. effectively. High performance ensures faster and smoother user experience. So, dapat ang software kay dapat smooth sailing siya, no? Para mas madali. Ang performance niya is dapat use good og resources like CPU, memory, etc. Implementing logic. Tools like flowcharts, pseudocode, and hypercharts helps in planning. IDEs and language setup are key to starting programming effectively. So, programming guys is nag-involve ni siya og planning. When you are forming code, when you are coding, dapat nagid ka i-plan na ana. So, muna ang purpose sa flowcharts, pseudocode, and hypercharts para mas maybawaan mo ang flow sa imo code or ang lagan. So, dapat ang IDE and language setup is patcha sa imo kanang comfortable siya sa imo kabalo na ka. Then mga to, thanks for watching.